In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create bookmark folders in Google Chrome so you can keep your saved websites neat, organized, and easy to find. If you have a lot of bookmarks, this is one of the fastest ways to clean up your browser and group related pages together for work, study, shopping, or personal use. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open the Bookmarks Manager. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and O at the same time. On Mac, press Command, Option, and B. That will bring up a new page where all of your bookmarks are listed in one place. Once the Bookmarks Manager is open, look for the blank white space inside the main window. Right-click anywhere in that empty area. If you don't see the right-click option clearly, you can also click the three dots in the top right corner of the blue bar. Either of those options will open the menu you need. From the menu, select Add New Folder. Chrome will instantly create a new folder for you. Now all you need to do is type a name for your folder. You can call it something simple like Work, Recipes, Research, Favorite Sites, or anything that makes sense for how you use your bookmarks. After typing the name, press Enter to save it. Your new bookmark folder is now ready to use. The final step is to move your existing bookmarks into that folder. You can do this by dragging and dropping bookmarks from the list directly into the folder you just created. If you want, you can create multiple folders for different categories and organize everything even further. This makes it much easier to find the exact site you need without scrolling through a long, messy bookmarks list. And that's it. You've just created a bookmark folder in Google Chrome. It only takes a few seconds, but it can save you a lot of time every time you browse. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy Chrome tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.